Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be talking about natural farming working model. So what is all about natural farming? So here, the natural farming, we are doing an agriculture farming purely based on the cow dung based here, which is very natural in nature. Here, we are not utilizing any chemical fertilizers. We are completely depending on cow based products to make a sustainable practice in making our agricultural practices. So main ingredients of this uh, natural farming is, first one is, so we are doing Bij Amrut. So Bij Amrut here is, we wanted to keep our seeds naturally so that those seeds can get protected and we can get a better yield by using these Bij Amrut seeds, which are we are doing naturally treating our seeds here. And the second aspect we do is Amrut. Here also the naturally available material like cow dung, cow urine, everything we'll be using, and we are making a Amrut that we can use it as a manure. So here we have made it as a Amrut. This manure we can use for all our plants. And the third aspect is mulching. We are covering, except the plants, we are covering entire land with organic materials. And fourth aspect is OPSA, balance of soil moisture and air. That is a concept we adopt here. And fifth one is crop diversity. So you are not just growing one crop here. We are using multiple crops here. Similarly, here also what we have done is we have done a crop diversity here. So we are growing vegetables like carrot, radish, and we are growing cauliflower as well as cabbage here. Similarly, we are also growing pulses here, and we are growing even millets. Everything we are growing in a diversified way. So if you grow in this way, what happens is even one of the crops we get into loss, still we can make money from the other crops. That is the main purpose of this crop diversity. And also the last aspect in natural farming we have to adopt here is agroforestry. So agroforestry means in the boundary of our lands, if we grow the trees like this, so that is also going to yield us a lot of money as well as a lot of oxygen, and also it is going to protect all these crops from the external invaders like insects. Everything will come inside to this land. If you have this kind of big trees, that is going to avoid, at least it will avoid certain to the certain level, so that those insects won't be entering into this crop. So that is a sixth aspect when we are doing natural farming. So here the main aspect, which is, as I said, which is cow-based farming, where we are using cow dung as well as cow urine as a major portion as a manure in our agricultural fields. And also we are trying to adopt vermicomposting here by making use of earthworms. So whatever the waste available in the agricultural fields, we are going to put it here. This earthworm will keep eating these things and it will generate a vermicompost, which is a very great manure that we can use in all our agricultural needs as a manure or a fertilizer. The concept we are trying to implement here is water conservation is very important in natural farming, because here we are completely depending on the water which is comes naturally. So where we are going to store everything in the farm in the as a pond. So and we will be using that water for our farming purpose. And also last what we are trying to implement with the latest technology, sustainable technologies, we are trying to adopt solar technology for our houses, farmhouses, as well as street lights within the farm, and even any motor which is going to run. So everything will be adopting as a solar energy. So in that way, everything we do it in a natural way. We can efficiently earn a lot of money using this method, which is natural farming. I hope you guys got a clarity what is all about natural farming, how we are adapted here, what are the various basic concepts we are trying to implement here. Everything I have mentioned in this working model. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Bye for now. Take care.